Hi, I'm going to talk to you today about whether you should use a microphone or not, where you, the viewer, compare the differences. So I'm using a ZealSound mic. This mic, it's got mute on there, you can turn the volume up, you can set up an echo on there. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video about how you can use noise suppression as well. So this video is not sponsored. I'm going to show you the mic on YouTube and you can make your own mind up. You've got on the USB, you can plug this in so you can add it to your plug it into your iPhone. So the next part of the video is going to be with the mic plugged in. This is with the echo on the mic. In this video I've got the mic plugged in. In the next video I'm going to show you how to use noise suppression, and it's all free. The software that I'm using is all free and it might even be installed on your laptop.